Hello everybody, today I'll be teaching you enums and how to use them. Enums are a special class that contains a set of constants. You should use enums when you have values that you know will not change. For this example, we will be creating a program about traffic lights. So first, we will be declaring our enum below the main method and inside of our program class. So we type it here, enum, and then the name of our enum, which is traffic light, and then a set of curly braces, and inside of these we type in the values of our constants. And the values of a traffic light usually has three colors, so we will be typing in green, yellow, and then red, magenta, no, red, and then a semicolon. After declaring our constants, in our main method we will be declaring a conditional, so that we can have outputs for these three. And we will be using the switch statement. Firstly, we will be declaring a variable traffic light x equals traffic light dot, for now let's just put it at green, and then the switch statement would be switch x, and then a pair of curly braces, and let's start. So case 1, no case, and then if the traffic light is green, I want it to output the word go, and then break. That is our first switch. That is our first case, I mean. And then the next case would be the yellow. And once we call the yellow case, I want it to output caution, and then a break, and also the last case, which is the red color. Once we call this, I want it to output stop. And then the break. And that, everybody, is a switch case. Once we call this variable we set here is the x, so this switch case here checks what value we will input over here. So since we inputted green, the program we did, the switch case condition we did, will go through these one by one until it finds green, and once it finds that, it will output this and break here. So since we put break here, this will stop the code. Once we run this, we should see we should be able to see go. And if we put in a different color, yellow, we should be able to see the word caution, because that is the value of our yellow. And the red, once we run that, it will say stop. That, everybody, is enums. You should use them when you have values that you know will not change. For example, a traffic light's color, which are green, yellow, and red. Thank you, everybody.